Hey, welcome back to InfoGamer. This video is going to be a little bit different than the usual videos on this channel. Rather than doing a tutorial, I thought I would just show you this asset that I've recently created that you can download for free off of our website. This asset is a particle system of a shell casing being ejected from a handgun. To give you some information about this particle system, it uses a low poly 3D model of a 9mm shell casing which is thrown out from the origin in a random arc similar to that of a real handgun. This particle system is set to a burst emission of 1 particle per play. This way you can synchronize the particles with the shots of the gun. You can easily child this particle system to any gun object in your game and have it properly follow the gun in world space. This asset comes with the low poly model of the shell casing, the material, texture, an easy to use prefab, and the script that will play 1 particle for every time you click the left mouse button. So if you're planning on developing any type of first person or third person shooter, this is a great asset to have for your game. So make sure that you go over to our website and download this asset for free. There's a link in the description below that will take you straight to it. Now I hope you liked this video, and if you have any other suggestions on what kind of assets you'd like to see me create, then leave them in the comments below. And finally, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.